Hey everyone, welcome to yesterday's project. Today I'm gonna show you a little bit of my my camping setup here on the trail. So I've got things kind of laid out. I've been camping for a few days. Just wanted to show the back here. So I've got 4 of these cases here, and I put clothes, and I've got like some cooking gear in this. And then the last case, I've got some spare parts, things like that. I've just got this pole so that when I'm trying to reach the last case, I can get it out of there. I've gone ahead and added some like weather strip in here. And this, you get kind of a little bit of a vortex back here, and dirt would come up in here. So I've really done a pretty good job of trying to seal this up. I've got just a foam mat, and I've got these cubby holes kind of built in here, and so I can access these. There's another one in front of the wheel well. I've got some spare parts, some straps, hatchet, a little saw. Over here I've got my blocks of wood for leveling out the rig. I've got just whatever tree line cooler. Works pretty good. You're not gonna really keep a lot of drinks in here, but in the back you can see there's a big open space. I've got these which are expandable poles, and I'll actually hook a tarp up on this rack here, and that gives me something when it's raining or whatever else. This container here is just got food in it, and it's all sealed up. There's a little cubby back here, and I've got a couple water bottles and things like that. And then up front I've got a toolbox, and I've got plenty of places to strap down and secure things. And then this last part is kind of filled up. I've got this pretty massive air compressor. This is a Puma, 3.4 CFM. I've got some jumper cables, and I just hooked this right to the battery. And although it's big, it's got 100% duty cycle. It pumps up the tires really quick. I've got my tow ropes, tarps, some dirtier things in here. Eventually I would like to do like an onboard air setup and use this kind of like a little kitchen. So that's just a quick walk around of what this looks like all packed up. It's a little bit tight here, but you know, it works well, and I could probably use some thinner foam. I've got a window over here. This access, this is actually how I get in and out if I've got the tire rack closed. So, quick walk around on the camping setup. I hope this gives you a little inspiration if you're trying to do some sort of camping topper yourself. This is a Jeep Comanche, and this topper, it's, you know, just a universal contractor topper, and I got it in the junkyard, and it was on an S10 pickup. So if you're looking for a cheap topper, this was about $100. Measure your bed. And a lot of times, I believe it would have been like an earlier Tacoma, S10, a Ford Ranger, possibly a Chevy Colorado, Jeep Comanche. It's going to be pretty darn close. And I don't have any clamps or anything. I chose to just bolt this through. So, I hope this helps you if you're going to build something like this. And hit the like and subscribe. Thanks.